Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device so change is stick. Make sure it has power and is unlocked. Next, open Settings and jump straight to Display or Lock Screen. This is where Timeout and Auto Lock live. If you want deeper controls, enable Developer Options now. This gives you a keep awake toggle while charging. Once done, you'll be ready to change the timeout and auto lock behaviors. Do these first because they determine the rest of the steps and avoid reverting later. Now adjust the core settings that keep the lock screen active. Change screen timeout to a longer value or never if available. This stops the display from sleeping quickly. Then find auto lock and either turn it off or choose a longer interval so you won't re-enter your passcode constantly. Make sure to enable Keep Awake while charging or when connected to trusted devices so the screen stays visible during use. These combined changes control both display sleep and the lock trigger, so you can tailor behavior. Finish by testing your choices. Let the device sit idle for 5 to 10 minutes and watch whether the lock screen and display behave as you expect. If settings revert or the screen still locks, check battery optimization and power-saving features. They often override timeout and auto lock. Make sure no security policy from an app or work profile forces locking. If problems persist, restart the device and reapply the changes. This clears temporary policies and usually resolves conflicts fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.